Today we're going to be talking about toilet paper. Toilet paper is one of these things that we seriously need when there's a serious outbreak. So today we're going to show you how with one roll of toilet paper can last you probably about 2 months, 3 months. So today we're going to unwrap it, and here's your roll of toilet paper. First things first is you get in there very carefully, cut one out. So now we have one piece of toilet paper. So I don't know if anybody knew that's why they had the perforation and they make them little squares. So this is what you do. You fold it, you get it like this, and then you pinch a corner off, and you don't throw it away. You set it aside right here. And next thing you do is that you open it up very carefully. And this is a 2-ply, it works better. So you see that little hole? You see the little hole right there? Well, once you're done doing your business on the toilet, you stick your finger in here, you cover it up the other 2 fingers on each side. So illustration should look like this, right? So here we go. You go down and you reach behind and you clean yourself, okay? Once you clean yourself, you got a dirty finger. You get this and you tightly wrap it around your finger and you clean your finger off and you get to throw that away. But now you still have a little bit left on your nail. You get that piece, remember this piece we told you to save? You get it and you clean off your nail and you throw that away, and voila, hands are clean, everything's good. Have a nice day.